Hello, today I'll be dealing with three popular questions regarding grandparents and step parents. The first popular question is that my child's spouse or partner has refused that I have contact with my grandchildren. What should I do? The first thing you need to do is to obtain legal advice. Another thing you could do is to engage the services of a solicitor or a mediator to try and mediate between you and your children so you can have contact with your children. Upon mediation failing, then we would have to issue court proceedings. Now, upon the matter getting to court, the judge will have to make a decision on what is in the best interest of the child. The court could make orders that you could have direct contact with your grandchildren a couple of times a month, and the court could also make some orders which regarding indirect contact, where you could have contact with your grandchildren by way of letters, gifts, and pictures. The second popular question is that I want to be more involved in my stepchild's life, that is to be able to make decisions regarding my stepchild. What should I do? The first thing you need to do is to obtain legal advice. The second thing you need to do is to seek the permission of the other birth parents. If you want to make decisions like choice of school, give the child permission regarding their day-to-day activities, or be on the emergency list, you need the permission of the other parents. Where in the instance that the other parent has refused to give consent, you will need to obtain legal advice. We could apply to the courts for what is called parental responsibility, which confers you the right to be able to make decisions regarding your stepchild. You could also apply to adopt your stepchild. If you successfully adopt your stepchild, you'll be able to make decisions regarding your stepchild. But however, before you can adopt a child, you need to be able to prove to the court that the child has lived with you for at least 6 months, and also you need the permission of the local authority. Another way that you could be more involved in your stepchild's life is that you could be appointed as your child's official guardian. Now, the third popular question is that I would like to change my child's surname to my new partner's name so all my kids can have the same surname. What should I do? The first thing you need to do is to obtain the consent of everyone that has parental responsibility regarding this change of name. Once they give their consent, it's not a problem. But if they refuse to give their consent, then you need to apply to the court for what is called a specific issue order, and you need to explain to the court why you want to change the surname of the child. You could also change the surname of the child by way of deed poll. For further enquiries, please do not hesitate to contact me, but kindly take note that my consultation fee would apply. Thank you.